valve has a hole right in here. The client tried to spray in like a flex seal or tape over it, kind of stop it from leaking, but it blows out right here. So I have the water off right now. But this is a setup I did a while ago. I just want to show you how easy it is with this setup. I'll see if I can do this with one hand as well. This is why these unions are nice. That's why I do it. So, let's see if we can see it. Yeah, right there is actually the crack. So, you can see it inside. Anyways. Alright, so, see how easy it is? Now I'm going to take this guy off. I'm going to put him on the lateral side here on the new one. See? And then I'll screw him back on, put new Teflon, and reverse the process. Let me put this on here real quick. Okay, the only thing I did just now was re-Teflon this riser, which was on the old one. So now he's on the new valve, and then put new Teflon on this side. So let's show you. That's the only thing you missed. So it's about like 2 minutes of interrupted time. Showing you how easy this is. We get a lot of people commenting, oh, why do you only do one union? Well, because you don't need 2 unions. And I would rather have the least amount of fittings on my mainline side over here as possible. So okay, lines right up. Guess what? Done. Put the solenoid back on. And I go turn water on, solenoid back on, water on, valve's replaced. Easy peasy.